Stop hating yourself for not going to the gym. While exercise is certainly important for health, the best starting point for losing weight is changing what you eat. Belly fat isn't just beneath the surface of your skin, it also surrounds the vital organs. Excess belly fat means a greater risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, colorectal cancer, sleep apnea and high blood pressure, and erection problems. To avoid this problem, you need to help your body to detox. The benefits of this process are many. This drink hydrates and cleanses the digestive system. Thus, it prevents constipation and keeps infections at bay. It acts as a diuretic and flushes the body. This helps to prevent urinary tract infections. The mix also nourishes your liver and helps with body detox. It's great for maintaining a healthy weight. It makes your skin glow. The combination is particularly good for making you look healthy and youthful. It provides you with collagen and antibacterial nutrients. Here are the ingredients you need to prepare this drink: ginger, lemon, honey, and water. Ginger. Not only can ginger help with weight maintenance in general, it can also keep that pesky belly fat at bay. Ginger can target the main reasons that belly fat accumulates, such as overeating, hormonal changes, and low energy leading to lack of exercise. Ginger helps you to feel full, so eating ginger, or drinking ginger water can help curb the urge to overeat. As a natural appetite suppressant, consuming ginger is one of the best ways to aid in the weight loss process. An additional advantage is that ginger is nearly calorie-free, and can be used fresh, in cooking and brewing in tea. Ginger increases your metabolism to help you lose weight faster. A study published in Metabolism in 2012 found that ginger has a thermogenic effect by enhancing the thermic effect of food, as well as promoting feelings of satiety. Thermogenic food means that it raises the temperature of the body and helps boost metabolism and calorie burning. In the thermogenesis process, the body burns calories to utilize foods you have just consumed, converting those calories to heat. Lemon. The small amount of potassium in lemons, 49 milligrams in the juice of one lemon, which is only about 1% of what you need in a day, helps with metabolism and digestion. The juice of one lemon contains almost a quarter of your daily vitamin C needs, which might be helpful for weight loss. Drinking warm water with lemon in the morning can do a lot for your health. It is ideal for detoxing the body, burning fat, and obtaining vitamin C and antioxidant. Here's how to make a detox ginger lemon tea for weight loss. 2 inches finely chopped ginger root, or 2 teaspoons dried ginger. 4 cups filtered water. 2 tablespoons organic lemon juice. 1 to 2 teaspoons whole stevia leaf or honey. To make the ginger tea, prepare it as follows. In a small saucepan, bring the water to the boil. Turn off the heat and add the chopped ginger. Steep with the lid on for 5 minutes. Strain the weight loss tea, and add some lemon and honey when the tea has cooled down, and remember, excessive heat will destroy the benefits of honey. How to use the ginger tea to lose weight and belly fat. You should drink 1 cup of the ginger tea 3 times a day between meals, to boost your metabolism and fight belly fat. Another option is to drink the tea just before meals, as it can help you to increase feelings of fullness and promote weight loss. Remember to enjoy a healthy diet and get plenty of exercise. Enjoy your anti-inflammatory weight loss drink. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to be notified of new uploaded videos.